I had another opportunity on a solo trip to the beautiful town of Calw. This charming little town is rich in cultural history and delights visitors with its black forest, which stretches directly from the town gardens up toward the mountains. The town of Calw is nestled in the Nagold Valley, and it has an attractive, largely pedestrianized historic town center and is easily accessible by train and by bus. The average journey time from Stuttgart to Calw by train is 1 hour and 20 minutes. This small town in the Black Forest has retained much of the townscape. For instance, the marketplace with its picturesque half-timbered buildings. In Calw, culture and tradition are closely combined. The town's market square with its 2 sparkling fountains is surrounded by 18th century half-timbered houses whose sharp gables pierce the sky. It's an ideal spot for relaxing, picnicking, or people watching, especially during market time. The Calw city center is located in the immediate vicinity of Calw's half-timbered town. A stroll through the pedestrian zones is certainly worthwhile. If you're shopping to your heart's content or simply stroll through the beautiful pedestrian zone or the narrow alleys, Calw is the place for you. In Calw, you will find everything you need, whether it's small, lovingly furnished shops, authentic Calw businesses, or branches of renowned chains. Calw is a pretty small town and is easily explored on foot. It is a vibrant cultural city. It thrives on diversity and exceptional artistic quality, thanks to the poet and Nobel Prize winner Hermann Hesse, who was born in Calw, that the charm and beauty of this Black Forest town have entered literature and achieved world fame. The history of the town, first mentioned in 1075, is shaped by its location on the river. The people of Calw traded timber and salt as well as textile production for centuries. In the 17th century, the town even rose to become the most important economic center in Württemberg. What remains is a picturesque half-timbered town with over 200 listed buildings, which reflects the former wealth of its citizens and provides the fantastic backdrop for one of the most beautiful and lively pedestrian zones in southern Germany. Rich culture and lots of nature. The life of Hesse, half-timbered houses, and Black Forest, all this represents Calw today as an attractive town with an amazing quality of life, which is worth discovering even for a few days vacation. Whether on a professional guided tour or on your own, it is always worth exploring the historic town of Calw. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix Channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!